Hey guys, today we will discussing the problem kth largest element. This problem states that we have to print the kth largest element since the k is equal to 3. So we have to print the third largest element, which is 5. Since the first largest element is 7, second largest element is 6, and the third largest element is 5. So we have to print the 5. So to implement the algorithm, the first approach come in our mind is to sort the array completely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and print the third element from the end, that is the fifth element, obtaining the index by n minus k. For sorting an array, we will require a time complexity of n log n, which is pretty much higher. To optimize this solution, to n log k, we must use the priority queue, that is the minimum priority queue, to solve this problem. Basically, the priority queue must be of size k, and the array element is inserted into the queue without any condition if the queue size is less than k. Once the queue size is equal to k, we will insert the element into the array with the condition we will see in further. Let's move toward the next page. Now we'll maintain the priority queue, and our pointer is at 2. We will insert the 2 into the queue. Now our pointer is move toward the 1. Now we insert again into 1. Now a pointer at 3. Now when we insert into the queue, since the queue size is 2, which is less than k, we can insert the element without any condition. So the priority queue is 1, 2, 3 in this fashion. Since it is minimum priority queue, the topmost element must be the smallest element. Now the 7 arise since queue size is equal to k, that is queue size is also 3 since there are 3 elements in the queue, 1, 2, 3, that is 3 elements. Therefore we have the condition. We can only insert the array elements into the queue if the arriving array element is greater than q dot top, that is the topmost element. Since our queue is now 1, 2, 3, since now the 7 is greater than 1, therefore we pop the first element from the queue and insert the 7. Therefore our queue becomes 2, 3, 7. 7 is at the lowest most, because since it is minimum priority queue, 2 is the lowest element, which is present in the topmost. Now again we move forward. Now our pointer is at 4. We will since priority queue is 2, 3, and 7, and 4 arrives, which is greater than 2, so we'll pop the topmost element and insert the 4 into the queue. So our queue becomes 4. Sorry, 1 minute please. So our queue become 3, 4, 7. Our array is 2, 1, 3, 7, 2, 1, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, and k is equal to 3. We will add our pointer is at 6. Now the 6 arise, and the topmost element is 3. Since 6 is greater than 3, we pop the topmost element, insert the 6 into the queue. Therefore our queue become topmost element at 4, then 6, then 7. Since 4 is the smallest element, that's why it is at the top of the minimum priority queue. Now 5 arises. 5 is also 5 is also greater than 4. Therefore we pop the 5 and pop the 4 and insert the 5. Now our queue become 5, 6, 7. Since we have traversed all the elements of the array, therefore the topmost element is our answer. We will simply return the q dot top, that is the topmost element, 5, which is our answer. We have seen previously, and this is the answer. How we achieve that the we will use since in this we will use the minimum priority queue. Since we have to require the kth largest element, we need the largest element, not the minimum element. That's why we will use the minimum priority queue to pop the topmost element out of the queue. And the pseudo code for this is simply if q dot size is less than k, simply push the array element into the queue. And else, if q dot size is equal to k, then we have a condition. If arriving element is greater than q dot top, then pop the first element and insert the new element. Now we will see the dry run of the our code. 2 comma 1 comma 3 comma 7 comma 4 comma 6 comma 5. Firstly 2 arrives. Since q dot size since q size is 0, so 2 is pushed into the queue. Therefore q contain 2. And now first arrive, q size is also less than k, 1 also pushed into the queue. Then q size again less than k, then 3 is inserted, then 7 arise. Now the q size is greater than or equal to k. As so we check the condition. If a of I, since a of I is 7, is greater than q dot top, the topmost element in the queue is 1. Since it is the minimum priority queue, the minimum element among them is at the top of the queue. So 7 is greater than 1, so 1 is popped from the queue and 7 is inserted. So our new queue become 2 3 7 2 3 7. Now 4 arises and 4 is also greater than 2. 2 is this condition run and 2 is popped from the queue and the 4 is inserted, and now a queue become 3 comma 4 comma 7. 3 is the topmost element in the queue. Again 6 arises and similarly this condition and 5 arises, so the final queue become 5 comma 6 comma 7, and the topmost element is our answer, that is the kth largest element, 5. This is the C++ implementation of the kth largest element. We will declare the minimum priority queue and then we will traverse whole the array with the help of for loop. And we check the condition. If q dot size is less than k, simply push the element inside into the queue. And else अगर q dot size equal to k है, तो if the arriving element is greater than top most element of the queue, so simply pop the first element of the queue and insert that element, and then we return the q dot top element. That's all for today, guys.